You on video.
I'm on video? Wow.
Yeah.
Me?
Yeah, you. What's going on, YouTube? This is your boy, DJ Roberto, the international bad boy. This video today is about two of the major systems in Chicago. Generation Sound, with Father Lie, and Boyce Sound Enforcement. They was together in one venue for a concert for Wayne Wonder and everybody else that came. But Generation Sound was in the basement on the first floor, and Boyce was in the main floor. But it's the first time that two of the biggest songs was in the same building. Well, I want you guys to see it. Like I said, I keep working hard for you guys to see all my videos. Please follow me. Follow me. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification. Okay? Bell notifications to get all my videos. I just keep hustling and working hard for you guys to see what's going on here in Chicago. But no stalking, let's go straight into the video. I hope you like it. See you the next time.
DJ Roberto, the international bad boy of Panama.
Yeah, it's you too. This is your boy, the Roberto International Bad Boy. You're checking out Boyce Sound. The big Caribbean sound from Chicago. Main stage for the main performance for the night. How you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Good.
Long time no see.
Good to see you.
I know, right?
Yeah. You're on video.
I'm on video? Wow.
Yeah.
Me?
Yeah, you. You coming for the show tonight?
Yes, I'm working it.
Okay, cool.
I'm working the show.
Oh, you working the show?
I'm working the show.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just walking around.
Boyce, #1 Caribbean sound. Let me turn around. Smile, you in camera. The anthem for Boyce Sound. Don't fall, don't trip, you know.
I know, I can't see nobody.
Come over here.
That's Mr. Boyce right there.
Well, this is got the extra monitor. Let me take this out.
like them. The main stage for the performance tonight. The cameraman upstairs and control the lights of the stage.
More than about
Let me go downstairs. Just follow me. Well, we're gonna go downstairs for our generation sound. This is the door we go through. Hold on, let's take you upstairs. We gotta control the lights in the building. Let's go all the way up here. This over here. See the keyboard. Big keyboard. It's basically going to control the lights in the building. The gentleman right here, the mastermind behind the machine, setting up the lights. See? You want to say something to the channel? The channel is called
Hi.
DJ Roberto, the international bad boy. This is the main guy.
Shout out to DJ Roberto.
There you
Getting
go.
ready for the show.
There you go. Remember, if you want to see the video, it's going to be under my channel, DJ Roberto
DJ Roberto.
IBB.
IBB.
Yeah, stand for International Bad Boy.
Oh, cool.
This is going to be the video for the setup, like the setup of the whole thing.
Oh, okay, the timeline video.
Yeah.
Okay, got it. So you're with the band?
Yes. Mm-hmm. Actually, I'm downstairs with the sound system downstairs. I know them too. Boyce, I know him
okay.
too.
So, so there's two parties?
Yeah, the same party for the night, but they have two floors. This is for the main stage for the artists, and downstairs is a DJ.
DJ. Oh, okay, I see. Okay.
And he's the son of Boyce, the engineer behind the thing. The Boyce himself coming. The man himself coming up here.
Is the console, the dog is already connected? Yeah.
But let me take you guys back downstairs. No, we're going downstairs. generation song, man. You guys follow me. The balloon decoration. There's a party happening. You guys will get to see him here tonight soon.
I'm afraid to close my eyes. Yes, it's running in the ground. So glad you are shiver. Class one, knock you down and down. Class one, chilling as a girl. Yes, running in the ground. So glad you are shiver. Class one, knock you down and down. Yes, and I'm a true believer. Cause I know what the crush is about, yeah. Young one like you are through. That's what just land on you, yes. Baby, that's right when you wake. We don't give no guy no break.
Taking up most of the space in this place.
One day done say, class one, represent the ladies and say, join Anthony, champion ladies.
Morning, crime. Going up.
Record that. Record this. It's a 6-gauge wire. 6-gauge. 600 volt.
Got the one and only Tin Man.
Easy.
Man, King Light. Generation song in the house. Man, tired.
Generation
Father tired
song.
right now where you see him there.
Find something now.
The number one DJ in Chicago, King Man.
There's some lawyers that was rock with those girls.
That is it. Now let's find out one of them. Careful them before mama come beat them. Careful before mama
on the album that's coming out in July, which is called Legends.